casting procedure begins with the preparation of the molds. First, lumps are removed from the green sand to be used. Then, calcium bentonite, which is an absorbent of ions, fats, and oils, is added to the mixture along with some water to ensure the right consistency. The wooden pieces are placed inside the molds. Talcum powder is added to make the pieces removable.
The piece is covered by sand with the sifter in order to ensure fine sand at first. Then, without the sifter, normal sand is added to fill in the mold. The sand is tamped and the mold is now turned over for the piece to be uncovered on the other side. Then, the other half of the piece is placed. The same procedure is repeated with this side. Only this time, two dumps are created by holding two metallic sticks when filling in the mold.
The dumps will be used as an exit for the liquid metal. Two small holes are drilled to serve as breathers for liberated gases. The pieces are taped to separate them from the sand mixture and are removed by integrating the corresponding screw. Talcum is then removed with pressurized air. Now, the two halves of the mold are put together. The furnace has a capacity of 11 kilograms of graphite and it has been previously tempered to 11,000 degrees Celsius. 6061 aluminum's fusion point is 650 degrees Celsius.
Pilers are handled by the middle to take the melting pot out of the furnace. The chlorine pastille has been put in the melted metal to remove impurities. The aluminum is finally poured into the molds, and 15 minutes have to pass for the aluminum to fully solidify. Afterwards, the mold is opened and the final piece is put into water for it to cool down before handling it.
While making the mold for the casting, the sand was not compact enough. So, section of the mold collapsed while the parting was removed from the mold before the casting was made. This caused our finished cast to have some deformations such this, and this. Flash was caused because the midpoint of the mold was not even enough. By evenly pressing the surface of the midpoint of the mold, this error can be diminished.
This can be taken care of by cutting the flash with a handsaw and sanding the extra material. The porous finishing in the part can be improved by sifting the sand with a finer strainer and compacting it more evenly and with more force.